What's up, guys? We back with another video. And today we're doing a food review. So,
Yeah,
I got
it's actually good
fries. He got but look, they actually got a Christmas tree over there, guys. If y'all can see it. They got a Christmas tree. But we're doing a food review. It's actually good.
Buffalo.
We recorded this so many times.
You keep turning on.
Yeah. But we do got some more food coming.
Yeah, we will get our
Frappe.
yeah, our mocha frappe, which I'm very happy.
And thank you for watching. And I'm just gonna call y'all chat because I don't know what to call y'all. Comment down below what you want us to call y'all. And yeah. And the reason we've been quiet is because we get both. Because we're in McDonald's and we're in public. Yeah.
Well, I can't remember what that sauce is called.
We need a straw.
Is the sauce in there?
No. Can you get that?
I can low-key put this like, I don't know where to put y'all at. Look at y'all on fries. Don't worry. A beautiful place. I'm telling y'all, I love McDonald's.
Guys, it is so good.
And tomorrow, you will see. I had it go well.
Guys, this is so good.
I can't remember what that sauce is called. Because it's very good. It's spicy too.
If I can get this out of 1%, I'll give it at least a 9. 9.5. Yep.
I don't think McDonald's would have what's it called? An actual best of holiday meal, but they do the Grinch meal. So you keep dropping all.
I'm sorry, chat.
You can lean there and see.
Please don't drop.
Okay. And there it is.
Chat, this is so good. This might be a short video. I don't know.
Yeah, because we didn't get that much food. But if we were at Taco Bell, it'll probably be a long video. We'll record food vlogs probably every week. Or every weekend.
We might post our routine on our thing.
I know I'm going to post my skincare routine. But
What is it?
that's right. I'm going to post my skincare routine.
I'm talking about video routine.
Hmm?
I was talking about video routine.
And morning routine. Not going to do one thing. Especially for school. Literally, me and Kamarion are nowhere near high school. So, we actually, we are near high school. What? Wipe your hands off. What are you doing?
Cheese fell in my thing. It's right there.
I was gonna say, what are you doing? I'm sorry, but this might be disturbing to y'all. But I got it. It's good. Amazing. I'm the type of person who eats sour cream on everything. Don't blame me. Sour cream's good.
It is good.
I think I put Kamarion on to sour cream with Takis. I think.
You did.
Oh my. It keeps falling, though.
You just go.
Bring me back to coffee, though.
Chat, this is so good. The fries, I can say, the fries is well seasoned, hot. It came out hot. It's just good all around.
They're greasy, crunchy. I mean, not too greasy, but. Anyway, if y'all want to know more about us,
Just comment down below. We'll make more about it.
but right now, all I'm going to tell you is me and him are in 68. We have a very ordinary school. Mostly.
I'm dropped.
Our history teacher is a military man.
What?
Our history teacher is a military man. And not everybody likes him.
I don't. And that's it.
And we'll post, like, every time something happens at school, we'll probably post about it.
We are done with our food. But we still got our frappe. Oh, I'm covering the camera. Still got our frappe.
Mine's full because I don't drink my, stuff while I'm eating sometimes. So.
And I go up this thing, man.
A fancy man just came in. But which one go next?
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
I probably want to go to center. I don't know.
But that'll be it for this video, and we'll cut back with y'all.
Like
Peace.
and subscribe, guys, just in case.
Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.